Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do the ice skating challenge in Heartopia. This ice skating challenge is a special winter event missions or quest. First, just go to the ice skating area located on the Onsen Moon over here. And when you arrive, like this, just tap on the start ice skating. This one, just tap on the yes button, like this. And then after that, just tap on the ice skating challenge like this. But just important note, this challenge is only available if your character is already level 16. So make sure you have reached that level. And then in here, you have 10 attempts to complete the challenge. But you will receive 2 challenge attempts per day. And then, but don't worry, if you fail to reach the target score, your attempts will not be reduced. And okay, when you ready, just tap on start and then just do the action like this. And okay, like this, that you can do the ice skating and collect points until you reach the required target score to complete the quest. And after that, sometimes you will got a rewards when you reach when you complete the target score. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.